I believe you do have Medicare Part A and Part B, correct?
Yep.
Okay, my computer is on.
If you go your computer keyboard, it's inside download the photo. There's supposed to be a CTRA, which is called control. You see the control key.
Okay, now it's open.
Okay, the card has your name on it?
Yes.
All right, and go ahead with the number, please.
It's 3, 2, 1. Good evening. We are live on television right now with an investigation into scam callers. We have the FBI on the line. They are tracking this phone number as we speak. Sir, what is your full name again?